Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I will walk you through on mastering task management using Notion. In this tutorial, we will explore the seamless process of adding and organizing tasks within your projects. So let's get started. Tasks are the building blocks of projects, essential bits of information that contribute to your project's milestones. They can also be broken down further into subtasks, adding granularly to your workflow. In Notion, tasks can be associated with projects, tracked across your workspace, and even linked to databases. Now, let's dive into the practical aspect, adding tasks to your project. To begin, head over to your project page, and from the task board, click on the Add Task button. You can either link existing tasks or create new ones. This powerful feature allows you to maintain a clear connection between tasks and projects, eliminating confusion and ensuring fluid communication. As tasks populate your project page, they become the building blocks of your project's progress. Each task opens up as its own page, allowing you to delve deeper. Subtasks can be added under each task, creating a well-structured framework. You can toggle subtasks as needed, maintaining focus and clarity. So there you have it, a snapshot of how Notion's task management works seamlessly within your projects. Remember, tasks provide the foundation, subtasks add depth, and the interconnectedness ensures your workspace remains synchronized. Take a moment to try this out for yourself, adding tasks to your project pages. I hope this video helps you out, and see you in the next video.